TransAm Trucking Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. TransAm Trucking isn't just a logistics company. You won't believe how widely it serves industries across the US. Most people get this wrong by assuming pricing is simple or uniform, but the surprising truth is that rates vary based on freight type, distance, and service speed. Standard freight shipments start around $50 per mile, while expedited services or oversized cargo can cost significantly more. Most people overlook additional fees for fuel surcharges, special handling, and delivery requirements. TransAm offers customized quotes, ensuring shippers pay for exactly what they need without overpaying. The company provides advanced tracking, insurance options, and reliable delivery windows. You won't believe how this reduces supply chain headaches. Knowing exactly where shipments are at all times minimizes delays and planning issues. In conclusion, TransAm Trucking's pricing reflects a balance of reliability, service level, and flexibility. For businesses that value timely delivery and transparent costs, the investment in their services often pays for itself through operational efficiency and reduced risk. It's more than moving freight, it's peace of mind for your logistics.